Good night. This is my presentation for the English. Let me introduce myself. My name is Daniel Barrios. I am 33 years old. I am student of marketing and advertising on the Pan American University or Compensar University. I work the Caja Social Bank. I am an integral advisor. I am have I've been working. My activity is seven years. So. My family is not that large. Okay, my two parents, Miriam Rueda and Leonardo Barrios Aragon. ¿Vale? Miriam Rueda, she is a fashion designer. Leonardo, this is a driver of public service. Um, I have a sister, mm, Melissa Barrios. Melissa is she's a veterinarian and is all day she's with animals, taking care of them and curing them. Okay, I have a son, Tomás Daniel Barrios. He's 7 years old and lives abroad. Okay, more precisely Barcelona, Spain. Currently a first grade student. Leslie, mm, I would like to introduce my grandparents. Okay, these are on my mother grandfathers, and this is Dora Perez and Daniel Rueda. Daniel Rueda was a farmer and my grandmother Dora Perez, who has a prestigious teacher, very good, very good teacher. The parents on my father, this is Gonzalo. This is dedicated to the milk trade, and Ericinda Aragon. Ericinda Aragon, who has a housewife. I love my family very much, very much. I make plans and almost every weekend with them, and addition to the fact and the future and several business, especially with my father. Okay, Mm, this is my presentation. Very good night. Goodbye.